Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. And today we'll answer the question, because some of you have asked the question, if it is possible to apply for both an open works permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time. And the answer is yes. But the specific conditions depends on your situation and the country you're applying to. So today we're focusing on the United Kingdom. You can check out all our videos on the United States and Canada. We've done those. Now for the United Kingdom, spousal sponsorship, also called spouse visa. In the UK, if you are a British citizen or have settled status, you can apply to sponsor your spouse for a spouse visa. This visa allows your spouse to live and work in the UK. To apply, you will need to provide proof of your relationship and meet certain income thresholds. The process can take several months to process. For an open work permit, the spouse visa generally allows the holder to work in the UK without needing a separate work permit. Therefore, once your spouse has a spouse visa, they can work freely in the UK. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.